So here we are, it's the day after we bottled our fizzy drinks, using the ginger bug that we made this week. And already, if I can show you that, you can see the amount of bubbles coming up. That's the orangeade. We made ginger beer, we made lemonade as well. So if we just ease that cork out, hear that pop, it's going to let a bit of pressure out. Put that back in. And that's already pretty fizzy. I mean, like, we might leave that out one more day, and then we're going to put it in the fridge, because if you leave that in the cupboard for too long, you're going to end up with corks popping out, firing all over the place, and your drink's going to go everywhere. So yeah, that's just going to go in the fridge now, and we're going to enjoy it chilled on ice. Or if you've got your ginger, so you've made a ginger beer effectively, then have that with a bit of whiskey. That's going to be about the best whiskey ginger you've ever had. Okay, good luck.